I'm today in front of me Oppo A1K and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the home screen and wallpaper. Now just you'll see here the set wallpaper section, tap there, and as can you see we got here the static wallpapers folder, and also we got here the photos folder with our photos and pictures on our device. For example, we'll go with the static wallpapers, and now just you can select one from these pictures. For example, we can go with this one. Just tap on the picture and tap here to set as, and we want to change our lock screen, so tap here, and now we'll go to our lock screen to check. And yes, as can you see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully to the another one. So how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.